We're done. Finish. It's raining. We'll go home. Come on. You're walking? You're walking with Mama. I see. That's so cute. Look at me. Look at me. That's a puggy boy walking with Mama. That's a puggy boy. Okay, come on. You're tired? We're not going now. Finished. I'm tired. Come on. It's raining. You're tired, Boogie? Look at the Poogie boy. Look at the Poogie boy going, jogging and walking. You can remove your cap now. You can remove if you want. Now remove your cap. Look at the Poogie boy. You can give it to me, give it to me. Finish. Tomorrow again, okay? It's raining now. We cannot walk anymore. You're tired? You're tired? Huh? That's an exercise for you. You're tired, Boogie? Boogie. Come on here. Wanna walk again tomorrow? Wanna walk again tomorrow?